Hey everyone, I'm Jillian Helms, Product Manager for Leatherman Tool Group, and today I'm going to give you an overview of our latest product, the Adapt Kit. The Adapt Kit is a compact tech pouch that keeps your daily essentials organized and ready for work. The outer materials include a durable recycled nylon and weatherproof zippers. The interior is lined with a rugged polyester ripstop with multiple pockets for storage. The Adapt Kit measures 8¼ inches in length, about 6 inches wide, stands 4 inches high, and weighs in at about 14.4 ounces. Now let's look at the features of the Adapt Kit. On the outside of the Adapt Kit, you have a reinforced nylon handle for easy carrying, as well as access to a zippered pocket, and a couple of side pockets perfectly sized for your multi-tool. There's also a large compartment to store gear and a few more pockets to keep things nice and organized. Flip over the Adapt Kit and you'll get access to a compression molded workspace with silicone tray and a host of elastic accessory loops for storage. The silicone tray is removable, so you can use it in multiple ways, like cleaning your multi-tool or doing quick repairs on your equipment. The elastic loops have various sizes, so you can store a variety of tools, cables, and accessories. The Adapt Kit is also self-standing, giving you better access to all of your items. The Adapt Kit is covered by our 2-year warranty. For more information about the Adapt Kit or any of our multi-purpose products, visit us at leatherman.com.